Are you looking for a reliable kitchen helper? Meet the Kitchen in the Box Stand Mixer. This 3.2 QT stainless steel bowl is ideal for new bakers and small families. It's perfect for easy storage, saving space in your kitchen. Available in 6 colors, it meets various aesthetic needs. This daily mixer is user-friendly and features a tilt head for added safety. The transparent anti-splash lid keeps your workspace clean. This mini mixer offers 6 speed options. Mix bread dough, thick batters, meringues, and whipping cream with ease. Lower speeds are perfect for delicate ingredients. Its 4 strong suction feet keep the mixer steady during operation. Our electric mixer comes with upgraded attachments. The aluminum dough hook and flat beater, plus a stainless steel whisk, are every baker's essentials. A gasket at the top joint prevents food residue, making cleanup effortless. Key features include a removable 3.2 QT stainless steel bowl and planetary rotations for thorough mixing. The transparent lid ensures you can monitor without opening. With 6 speeds, anti-slip design, and a tilt-up head, it's designed for convenience. Specifications reveal a rated voltage of 120 volts, frequency of 60 Hz, and power of 300 W. Its compact size of 12.9 x 7 by 10.2 inches fits perfectly in your kitchen. The package includes a stand mixer, mixing bowl, whisk, beater, dough hook, splash guard, scraper, and user manual. Why wait? Click the product link in the description below. Enjoy fast delivery across all 50 U.S. states. Order today for quick delivery to California, New York, Texas, Florida, and beyond. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support inspires us to bring you the best reviews and deals weekly. We truly appreciate having you with us.